Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz, and today I'm going to give you this real cool piece of tech that's just arrived called the woojerstrap. And it says here, beyond the realm of sound, wear it and feel it. So this is a strap that has haptic feedback, which you'll put on around your body in numerous places you can put it. And it's great for music, gaming, video and virtual reality, which is good to see. And here it tells us what's inside. It's the strap, cable, USB charging, user manual and carrying pouch. And of course we have two apps on the App Store and Google Play. And the package is made from 100% recycled paper, which is pretty cool. And here is what's on here, and it'll tell us here: strap by Woojer catapults any multimedia experience into high fidelity haptic feedback. The immersive sensation augments the rich emotion of sound the way you love it. So we'll take it out of the box like so, and we're presented with a little booklet here. As I said, these are positions you can wear it, and it gives us some instructions on how to get going. And here is the strap itself, and just see what else we get inside. And we get our instruction booklet here, how to operate the strap. We get a nice carry pouch here, which is really cool to see, and pretty nice indeed. Nice feel to it there, and the branding here, a good decent strap, nice and rigid. And we get our cables here. So they're all the cables we require: 3.5mm audio and our USB. So we'll just pop them to one side. So here is the strap itself, and here we can see the IOs here, and these are our control buttons here. These light up as well, and it's pretty solid indeed. And on the back here we can see the strap, and again our ports. And here again it gives us some more information on positioning and how to operate. And we can see these areas here will be where the vibration will come from. Pretty solidly built, and it clips together here by simply just doing that. Nice and clicky, and once again we see born to feel here. And of course the strap is adjustable, so you can just use these here to change and fix it to your own personal needs. So that's just a quick unboxing, and we'll have a full review coming soon on Tech Buzz Ireland. And thanks to the guys at Woojer for sending us this over, and we look forward to testing this out, particularly with VR as well, and music, as I'm a big VR fan, and look forward to seeing how good this really is. And so far it's been positive. There's lots to talk about at CES, and we can't wait to give it a go. So stay tuned for more at techbuzzireland.com, and we'll talk to you in the next review.